Hi, it's me. Should I start it that way?
Hi, everyone. Erin Zabarak with Synchro here to invite you to our next webinar, June 21st, where we teach you how to take your first-party data. We will teach you how to take your first-party data strategy from basic to extra. I always like being a little bit extra. No.
From basic to extra. Don't be a basic. Yeah, I can't do that. Don't be a basic. Woo!
Marketplace. That's not the right word. Dang it, that was a good one. Okay.
How hokey am I? Hey, join us. Oof, my goof.
Did I say June the last two times?
Ha-cha-cha. All right. Bye.